Meaning of domain name.
Domain name.
Domain name.
Domain name.
Domain name. A domain name is a unique text string that identifies a specific IP address on the Internet. It's used to represent a particular website or Internet entity online. The domain name system, DNS, translates domain names into IP addresses, allowing users to easily access websites without needing to remember numeric IP addresses. Each domain name is made up of one or more parts separated by dots, with the rightmost part indicating the top-level domain, TLD. Examples of TLDs include .com, .org, and .net. Choosing an effective domain name is important for establishing a strong online presence and brand identity.